Just imagine for a minute waking up and seeing these kind of paydays inside your Warrior Plus account. $3,700, a $2,100 payday. I'm sure you'd be perfectly okay with even an $821 day or a $784 day. And what if I were to tell you that there's a product coming out that's going to allow you to potentially get these kind of paydays without any hard work, without kicking bricks and getting frustrated, because the product that's coming out is going to be copy and paste simple, that's going to allow you to get these kind of paydays for a little bit more than the cost of a pizza pie. Would that interest you? Because if it does, I ask you to just stick with me for a while through this review of a product that I'm about to tell you about that's quick and easy. You log in, you deploy these campaigns, and you start making money. Now, I know these claims really seem to be a little bit hypey, but if there's anybody that can put out a product that is this simple, it's going to be these two guys right here, Jono Armstrong and Brendan Mace. Hi, I'm RJ, and I'm coming at you with another review. This review is on a product called Smash My Campaigns. I'm here in the members area, Smash My Campaigns, and we're going to go over the product. We're going to go over what this product's all about. I'm going to show you some bonuses and show you how to get your hands on this product when it goes live, which is going to be January 29th, 2020 at 9 a.m. So if you click on the description down in the link at the bottom of this video, you're going to come over to my bonus page here. Again, this product isn't live yet, but it will be. The launch starts again January 29th, 2020, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's going to close on January 31st at 11:59 p.m. So I wouldn't hang around on this deal, because this is a product, probably one of the best products that's going to come out in 2020. And with the ridiculous bonus package that's been put together for this product, it pretty much makes it a no-brainer. So whether you're seeing this video through my bonus page or by clicking on the link in the description of this video, it's going to bring you over here and it's going to tell you what Smash My Campaigns is all about. It's going to give you the prices, the upsells, downsells, and all that good stuff. But let's check out these bonuses right quick. You're going to be able to get 365 days worth of done-for-you campaigns just for investing in this product. That's just going to cost you a little bit more than a pizza pie, okay? For 365 days, you're going to be able to get done-for-you campaigns in addition to the ones that already come with this product. So it's pretty much a no-brainer. This in itself is worth picking this up. Now, there's also going to be some limited time bonuses that are only going to be good for the first 48 hours of this product launch, which is also another reason that you really don't want to hang around on this deal, because, I mean, for $12 or $13, you can get these extra bonuses that actually are valued out at a whole lot more than that. And again, you aren't going to be able to get these after the first 48 hours. I just want to make that perfectly clear. You're going to get access to limitless traffic for only 48 hours. And what limitless traffic is going to do is it's going to allow you to put your Google Pixel on Jono and Brendan's sales pages, which gets a ton of traffic. And these guys are launching products like every 3 weeks. So by you putting your Google Pixel on their sales pages, it's going to build you an audience that you can then go back and retarget and remarket to get them to come back and buy from your page. It's very, very powerful bonus here. You're also going to get Invisible. It's not just the basic version. You're going to get the pro version of Invisible, which is also a great product that they just got done putting out. You're going to get Cartel. You're going to get access to over 2,500 email swipes, so you can just repurpose these emails to fit your personality, fit your marketing style, and without you having to go and create all these emails yourself. You're going to get 2,500 proven emails that have made thousands and thousands of dollars. You're also going to get the bonuses that the vendor's offering for this product, which are pretty awesome bonuses. So if you want to take a look over here, you're going to get a case study that shows you how to deploy these copy and paste campaigns. You're going to get bonus number 2. It's which is setup instructions for all the done for you campaigns. Just follow it step by step and you can be up and going in minutes. You're going to get bonus number 3, which is profit boosters, which is going to enable you to instantly make at least 30% more money. These are only available during launch week again, so you gotta pick these things up quick. And you also get bonus number 4, which is going to be Brendan Mace showing you how to reach massive amounts of profits online. So these are the bonuses. And does this product come with a money back guarantee? Well, yes, it does. It comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So they're going to let you test drive this thing and, hey, start making money from it. I mean, it's a pretty cool system because it's all copy and paste. All you do is once you get into the members area, you just go ahead. They're going to give you access to all of these different products here. These are all the products that you're going to get access to that have generated them thousands of dollars. You're going to go over to Warrior Plus, apply for your affiliate link, put it in here. You're going to name the campaign that you want it, whatever name you want to put in. You're going to put it right here. You're going to press generate. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to end up getting a sales page, which means anyone that buys this product through your link, you're going to get the commissions. You're going to be the one getting paid, which is very powerful because it's already hard enough as it is to get approved for links, especially if you're a greenest grass newbie. And not all these products are Brendan and Jono's products, but if they are their products, they're automatically going to approve you. There's also going to be a bonus page here, a bonus delivery page, that where anyone that ends up buying through your link for any of these products, they've actually providing you with bonus pages that are actually pretty powerful bonuses. These are all products that Jono and Brendan have already put out that have already proven to be successful. And this is just one of the bonus pages. You're going to get a bonus page for every single product that that you can sell out of those 14. So even if you were to just pick this up just to get these bonus pages alone and consume the information out of these to fast track you to learning all the tips and secrets that these guys have been doing in their business to make them thousands of dollars, all you have to do is rinse and repeat. You know, outside of the done for you campaigns, you're also going to get the welcome video, which is going to encourage you to go ahead and actually register for a live call, which I highly recommend that you do. Even if you just consume the value, it's going to be great. You're going to learn a lot of things on this training call, so I would definitely take advantage of that. Again, the case study that I talked about that you're going to get in this product for a limited time within the launch week, I would go ahead and make sure you take advantage of that. And, you know, there's just a good training in here. They're also going to give you the ability to get products that they actually use in their day-to-day business that helps them make money. And these are optional. If you want to pick these up to help you out, which I highly recommend that you do, you can access these products right here from within your dashboard. And then any other upgrades. So all of the upgrades that are available during launch, I get them during launch week because otherwise the price is going to continue to go up. You can go ahead and you can do this either in the members area after you buy the front end, or you can just purchase them during the sales funnel as you're going through and purchasing the front end of this product. You're going to be hit with get my traffic camps, get smash traffic here, lifetime campaigns, ultimate traffic package, the easier system here. Get license right, which means that you're going to get 100% commissions on the funnel for license rights. Feel free to head on over again, click on the link below, or if you're already on my bonus page, if you scroll down, you'll see the prices and upsells right in here. So great product. I would highly recommend that you pick this up. Don't hang around on it because those limited time bonuses that are only good for the first 48 hours, such as this one right here, the access to limitless traffic is only good for 48 hours. and plus the vendor bonuses. So a lot of those are only available during launch week only. So I hope you like this review. Hope this actually gets you success. Again, this thing comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, guys. All these bonuses will be delivered to you inside the checkout area of Warrior Plus. Just once you go to checkout, go down here where it says Access Affiliate Bonuses, and you're going to get all the bonuses that I'm offering you right here on this bonus page, and all the bonuses that the vendor's offering you will be inside of your members area. Thanks again. Good luck and cheers to your success.